Unlock the secrets of predicting price movements with the powerful Fibonacci Retracement tool on Tradingview. First, you'll need to access the Fibonacci Retracement tool on your Tradingview chart. Look for the Drawing Tools panel, usually on the left side of your screen. Click on the Drawing Tools icon, and then select the Fibonacci Retracement tool. It typically looks like a series of horizontal lines. Now, identify a significant price swing on your chart that's a period of strong upward or downward price movement. For this example, let's use an uptrend. Click on the lowest point of that swinger euros, and then drag your cursor all the way to the highest point of that swing. Release the mouse button. Instantly, Tradingview will draw a series of horizontal lines representing key Fibonacci retracement and extension levels. These lines act as potential support and resistance zones. Common retracement levels are 382%, 50%, and 618%. Traders watch these levels closely for signs of price reversals or continuations. For instance, if the price pulls back to the 618% level and bounces, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend. In a downtrend, you'd apply the same logic. Drawing from the highest point to the lowest point, the Fibonacci levels would then act as potential resistance for a bounce or overhead to continue the slide. Strategically, you can use these levels to identify potential entry points for buying on pullbacks at support, or selling on bounces at resistance. Your exit points can also be planned based on these Fibonacci levels or previous price action peaks and troughs. The more you practice, the more intuitive it becomes to spot these potential turning points and enhance your trading accuracy on Tradingview.